Hello everyone, and how are you doing? Welcome to this Stuff Your Bank review. So I'm in the dashboard of Stuff Your Bank, and I'm going to be showing you what this is all about. And most importantly, I've also put together some custom bonuses for you to ensure you get the best out of Stuff Your Bank. So in a nutshell, Stuff Your Bank includes training and software on domain flipping. And if you are not conversant with the term domain flipping, it simply means getting domains at the cheapest price, usually between $8 to $10, and then flipping this same domain for huge amounts. It might be anywhere from $500 to $10,000 to $75,000. There's basically no limit to how much you can flip a domain. Now, what makes Stuff Your Bank special is because the vendors, those are the creators, especially Jamie. This is a product by Jamie and Tom. Jamie is someone who is actually an expert at flipping domains. So you are going to be getting access to training from Jamie himself, from his wealth of experience flipping domains. And not only that, you are going to be getting access to software, which is actually a database that he has actually created. You are going to be getting access to carefully selected domains that you can easily start flipping, taking over and flipping for your own profit. So as you can see here, Stuff Your Bank is the world's first pre-monetized domaining system. So you get access to a domain vault, and it's actually a massive personal database of guaranteed to profit domains that Jamie himself has handpicked. So Stuff Your Bank launches today, 23rd of June by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to be showing you the bonus right now. Then we actually get into this fully. So the first bonus I'm actually giving away is a premium training that actually shows you how to make money on Fiverr. So there are different sides to flipping domains. Essentially, you can get brand new domains. These are domains that have not been owned by anyone previously. Or you can flip expired domains. These are domains that have been previously owned by someone, but obviously they didn't renew the domain. The thing is, these domains, they have some value to them because there's still a lot of traffic going to that domain. So what people do on Fiverr is a marketplace where you can actually exchange your services and get paid. So what some people do on Fiverr is they get these expired domains, and then they come on Fiverr, they create a gig, and then they sell traffic because links, people are still visiting these domains only to find out that the domain is expired. So what they are looking for, they can't find it. Now you're going to be able to redirect these vendors on Fiverr. They're going to allow you, they're going to get your link, you give them your link. Now they're going to redirect these domains actually to these links. So you're actually going to be getting traffic, and you can actually give them affiliate offers and stuff like that. So they charge their customers $5, $10, and any amount they wish. So you can easily find expired domains with Stuff Your Bank, and then you can easily provide these services on Fiverr. Once you register these domains, you can easily go and create a gig on Fiverr and then sell these. The good thing is, once you register an expired domain that has traffic, you own that for 1 year. It only costs like $10, but you own the domain for 1 year, so you can do whatever it is that you want to do with it. You can redirect the domain to your own affiliate offer, or you can go and offer this as a service on Fiverr and get paid for these services. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you access to my Instagram traffic software. This is a cloud-based software that allows you to send high-quality traffic also to your affiliate offers. So you are going to be able to connect multiple Instagram accounts. You are going to be able to post to these Instagram accounts from this cloud-based software. You are also going to be able to repost viral content from other Instagram users to your own Instagram accounts through this cloud-based software. You are also going to be able to schedule your posts, the posts that are going to be going to your Instagram stories or to your Instagram pages. You can actually schedule them to go out in the future. So this way, you only need a few minutes. You need to put the links that go to your affiliate offers or to your website in the bio of this Instagram account. Then once you set this up, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch high quality traffic flow to your pages. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be giving you my premium PDF training that shows you how to create your own WordPress website. So you are going to be able to set up your WordPress website even if you have zero experience with website creation. So this is a PDF training created by me. Also, if you want to take it to the next level, you want to convert your WordPress website to an online shopping website, you can do that. You are going to find how to do that inside this training, so you can do drop shipping or even sell your own product on your website. And also bonus number, this is supposed to be bonus number 4, right? This is actually supposed to be bonus number 4. You are going to be getting access to 3 different traffic sources where you can go and fetch high quality traffic to your affiliate offers. This is a premium PDF training that shows you exactly how to do that. And also, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. And you are going to be getting access to the arbitrage, iRoller. You are going to be getting access to Lazy Profit Engine 2.0. You are going to be getting access to Storm, which was released not too long ago. You are also going to be getting access to make $4.97 over and over again. That's also another bonus. So you're going to be getting access to all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses, just to ensure you get the best out of StuffYourBank. So what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the blue buttons on this page. If you do that, it's actually going to take you to the sales page of StuffYourBank. So this is actually the dashboard. This is the members area. You're going to see a welcome video by Jamie himself. You are also going to see another video that actually shows you through the software, the members area of StuffYourBank. So this is the sales page. Here it says caught live on video. Watch as 5 people start with $10 each and end up with thousands just 3 days later. So feel free, come check out this video presentation on this page. So there's also proof of results here. Come check out this sales page. It also shows here the steps you need to take to actually start profiting with StuffYourBank. This is a product by Jamie and Tom. So I'm going to show you the pricing right now and also the optional upgrades that actually come with StuffYourBank. The front end goes for $17. Now there are some optional upgrades. The first one is the profit accelerator. That's 10x profit accelerator. That goes for $97, but you can actually decline and pick it up at $67. So it allows you to get access to unlimited daily searches. So apparently there's a limit to the number of searches you can conduct daily on the front end, but this first upgrade gives you access to unlimited daily searches. And secondly, Jamie has run his own domain marketplace for years, so you get access to this marketplace also without ever leaving your members area. Also, the second optional upgrade is the StuffYourBank Eye Roller Club, which goes for $39, but you can decline and pick that up for $29. So this literally lets you profit from domains you pick before you sell them. So this allows you to take advantage of expired domains, profiting from the backlink traffic going to them. So that's the second optional upgrade. The third optional upgrade is the Jamie does it for you, and that costs $39. You can decline and pick that up for $27. So this is kind of like a done for you stuff, and then it basically takes you by hand and does the work for you. Then the fourth optional upgrade is the partner with Jamie that costs $197. You can decline that and pick it up for $67. So you get lifetime access to Jamie's weekly live training where members get personal coaching directly from him. And then the final upgrade is the StuffYourBank Entrepreneurs League that costs $67, or you can decline that and then pick it up for $27. Users of this OTO receive 6 more income streams. With StuffYourBank Entrepreneur Club, members get instant access to fully upgraded access, complete funnels to StuffYourBank, and 5 more of our best-selling income systems. So that's the last upgrade for StuffYourBank, and that's going to be my review for StuffYourBank. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and bye for now.